10 humanoid robots likely to revolutionize the robotics industry. Creating a human-like or humanoid robot is difficult because it is quite complex, and a lot of research work is required. Yet, people continue to develop humanoid robots because these are used in numerous applications such as personal assistance, scientific research, entertainment, education, automotive manufacturing lines, hospitals, and greeting guests and visitors. In this video, you will get to know about the 10 humanoid robots that would potentially revolutionize the robotics industry. Number 1. First humanoid robot Herbert Televox was the first humanoid robot built by Ron Wensley in 1927. The robot could lift the handset to receive a telephone call and control simple processes by operating switches according to the signals it received. While the robot could not speak when it was first created, it later learned to say two simple sentences. This was the beginning and starting point for the developmental process. Number 2. First social humanoid robot Pepper is the world's first social humanoid robot that can recognize faces and understand basic human emotions. It was manufactured by SoftBank Robotics and introduced in 2014. Pepper can engage with people through conversations and touchscreen on the chest. The touchscreen on its chest displays messages. It also has a speech recognition feature and can speak in 15 languages, including English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Arabic, and Dutch. Number 3. First humanoid robot citizen Sophia was the first robot to receive citizenship in the country Saudi Arabia in 2017. It was developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics in 2016. It imitates human gestures and facial expressions and is able to answer certain questions and make simple conversations on predefined topics. In 2020, Sophia visited the city of Joy, Kolkata after touring 65 countries. This was Sophia's second visit to India. She first visited India in 2017. Number 4. First news anchor AI robot Q Hao. A lifelike image male news anchor was developed in 2018 by Xinhua and the Chinese search engine Sogou. It uses machine language (ML) to stimulate the voice, facial movements, and gestures of real-life broadcasters. It can work continuously and tirelessly. This AI technology is not only limited to news presenting but can also be customized to different applications in other industries. Number 5. First robotic avatar Fedor and T-HR3 were among the first avatars introduced in 2017 by Russia and Japan respectively. Fedor avatar robot is able to replicate the movements of a remote operator and perform some actions autonomously. It was sent on an experimental mission to the International Space Station in 2019. Number 6. First delivery humanoid robot, a two-legged robot called Digit from Agility Robotics, was announced in February 2019. It was approximately the size and shape of a small adult human. It has advanced feet that allow it to balance on one foot or carefully navigate through obstacles with both legs. It can navigate environments semi-autonomously with the help of LiDAR and other sensors, enabling it to perceive and map the world for navigation. It can carry boxes up to 18 kg in weight in its arms. It can be used in many areas including logistics, warehouses, telepresence, and industrial inspection. Number 7. First virtual artificial humans Neon. A humanoid artificial intelligence avatar designed by Samsung Star Labs looks like a human and can respond to questions. It is basically a next-generation AI video chatbot with a human face and personality, but not exactly as an AI assistant. You can imagine something like a Siri or Alexa with a virtual face that could start a conversation. It interacts with humans along with expressions such as a smile or a raised eyebrow. It is still under development but could be the next big thing in the future for use in many fields, including retail, tourism, collaboration, healthcare, among others. Number 8. First Robonaut. A Robonaut is a humanoid robot for the astronauts. The first generation Robonaut was designed by the Robot Systems Technology branch at NASA's Johnson Space Center. The core idea behind this Robonaut is to have a humanoid machine work alongside astronauts. Many countries are working on their own Robonauts for space exploration. In India, Vyomitra, a female humanoid robot, is set to launch on an uncrewed space flight in December 2020. Number 9. First humanoid nurse robot. Human-like robots are already being utilized as healthcare workers in elderly homes in countries like Japan. There are many robotic nurses deployed in some hospitals, but humanoid robotic nurses are few. In 2018, 3 robot nurses were used to help medical staff in hospital in Bangkok. Dressed in a nurse's uniform, the robot nurses used to deliver medical documents between departments. Number 10. Most advanced humanoid robot Asimo is the most advanced humanoid robot in the world to date. Developed by Honda Motor Company, Asimo stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. According to its website, Asimo is the first humanoid robot in the world that can walk independently and climb stairs. In addition, it can also understand pre-programmed gestures and spoken commands and recognize voices and faces. It has arms and hands to perform activities like turning on light switches, opening doors, and carrying objects.